Rolling down the highway, the city's in my sight. Bus stops and traffic lights, oh what a lively night. From bicycles to scooters, each one plays its part in this urban symphony, the rhythm of our heart. Wheels on the road, moving us forward. Trains and planes, through skies and lanes we soar. Together we go to places unknown. Transportation taking us home. Subways in the underground, beneath the city's feet. Electric cars, they glide along a silent urban beat. From the river's ferry boat to the mountain train, we connect the dots through sunshine and rain. Wheels on the road, moving us forward. Trains and planes, through skies and lanes we soar. Together we go to places unknown. Transportation taking us home. Journeys where the story lies, in the whispers of the tracks and in the open skies. Every mile a tale to be told. In this endless quest our dreams unfold. Cargo ships on ocean waves bring distant shores. Helicopters buzzing high above the urban roars. We fly, we sail, we drive, we ride the world within our reach. Every path a new adventure, every road a speech. Wheels on the road, moving us forward. Trains and planes, through skies and lanes we soar. Together we go to places unknown. Transportation taking us home. So here's to every journey, every path we tread, to the wheels that keep on turning, to the routes ahead. From the hum of the engines to the whistle's call, transportation binds us, one and all.